So glide work like this: glide dot with the current activity, load a URI it dot image dot into a target, that is binding dot image that we just created. That's it. So now glide will load our image on the screen. So you can see that image is there, Avengers text is there, and there is one more text that was coming, that was the ear. So let's add ear as well. So I'll say plus it dot ear. Now the last thing is Avengers 2012. The last thing we want to do is we want to see the complex JSON version and see how we can parse this.